This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news. Forget what you thought you knew about factories and manufacturing. The future is already here. Experts say we're just at the very beginning of this revolution, and it's powered by industrial AI. This isn't lab theory. This is AI hitting the factory floor, transforming production lines like these. Andrew Xiao from Pegatron explains it perfectly. Industrial AI takes artificial intelligence straight from the lab to the assembly line. And how does it work? Through incredible digital twins, ultra-realistic virtual copies of complex products, enabling companies like Siemens to design, predict, optimize, and validate new innovations, all before a single physical piece is made. But here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. Jean-Claude Ercolinelli at Siemens introduces Agentic AI. Agentic AI acts like a virtual engineering assistant. It can sit next to a design engineer, even one without simulation expertise, and help set up complex simulation problems and analyze the results. Imagine AI guiding you through intricate product design. Now, companies are integrating this across their operations. Using the Industrial Metaverse, they're applying industrial and agentic AI to automate processes, run detailed simulations like the water test, and boost efficiency. AI agents at Pegatron are helping engineers perfect designs and optimize factory operations. They even use AI video monitoring to check every step of an assembly line, providing instant, invaluable insights. Notice the pass and fail flags? That's AI vigilance. This powerful combination within the Industrial Metaverse ecosystem allows for unprecedented validation and optimization. Look at this humanoid robot. AI agents support its complex assembly tasks. As Dr. Geisel from Mercedes-Benz says, it lets their teams collaborate with these AI agents intuitively, just like working with human colleagues. This is truly pushing the barriers of production engineering. And with metaverse technology and AI, robots can learn new tasks and improve their performance autonomously. This slashes the time and effort needed for programming and development. It scales to massive projects too, enabling lighter, stronger, and more reliable designs faster. Here's a concrete example of the impact. Using NVIDIA technology to plan this virtual factory cut construction time by over 40%. It's a groundbreaking capability, simulating complex dynamic scenarios in mere minutes, leaving behind the days or weeks it used to take. Industrial AI in the metaverse is unleashing unprecedented speed and efficiency across global industries, from the largest ships to the smallest components. Stay ahead of the AI revolution. Follow AIX today.